Well, hello everyone and welcome to a very wild episode of Wild Your Garden. And in this video I just wanted to show you this absolute gem of a loch that I've found in the Western Highlands, which is the most, well, one of the most tranquil places I have been on earth. It's just incredible. I mean, it's like a bath. It's just dead still. There's not a ripple on the water. It's like a mirror, and all I can hear is a few meadow pipits and a little bit of traffic. It's the A87 behind me, which is the main road out to Skye, which is where we are heading now. So absolutely can't wait to get out there. My first time on the Isle of Skye, so really looking forward to that. And I just thought I'd show you this absolutely phenomenal lunar landscaping part. It's incredible actually to see some beaches, and actually a lot of people don't realise that the western, very western, northwestern coast of Scotland are renowned for their sandy beaches, which is just fantastic. If I just turn around a bit further this way, I'm stood on a rock at the moment, so I'm trying to stay on it, but look at that. Just, I mean, you would think I am Croatia or something like that, but it's just incredible. Absolutely breathtaking scenery. All I can hear is the odd car and a bit of the water coming down from the hills behind me, which I'll show you now, which is just, it's just breathtaking. Absolutely love Scotland. You lucky people that live up here. As southerners have to put up with agricultural fields, and you've got this on your doorstep. I mean, wow. Yeah, I've a big love for Scotland. Got some projects coming up, by the way. Got a bird hide. If you haven't heard in the previous videos, I've got a bird hide I'm building over near Aberdeen, which is of course the other side of the country, just east of the Cairngorms, that is. And yeah, lots more videos. I'm going to try and do a little, I know it's not quite the feel of the channel, but I thought it only fair to do Scotland a bit of justice and try and do you a bit of a compilation of some of the video footage I've been getting of these wonderful landscapes here in Scotland. Just for those of you that haven't been here before or around the world, you might get a feel for the place. It is just breathtaking. We could be anywhere now. Switzerland, the Alps, you name it. This is just incredible, and it's unspoilt. What I love about this place, there isn't a single person, caravan, house or anything around this loch. So it is just, I feel quite privileged, if I'm honest, to be stood here surrounded by all this natural beauty. Yeah, just incredible. It really is. Just a short video, but I just wanted to show you just how stunning this part of the world is. So Western Scotland, the Highlands in particular, if you get a chance to visit, absolutely make sure you do. Especially while we've got all this COVID malarkey going on, it's a really good chance to get out here and enjoy the world on our doorsteps, because a lot of us spend so many hours of our life on planes flying to far-flung reaches of the earth, but what more do you need than this? I'll put a couple of clips in now of this wonderful landscape without me waffling on, and you can just enjoy its beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.